because into ebalulekile ngiyacela ukuthi so interpreter lana into ebalulekile ukuthi acommit ekuthena intervene singabi ne-language barrier sokwazi ukuthi ichaze ngesiZulu uma ngabe siyacela sibekezelelana siyacela.
We understand that the problem is there is information that there was a statement that was missing from the docket. That information is not correct. The docket is intact. When the incident happened, police went to the crime scene and spoke to the family and took down a preliminary statement which we used to open the docket. And 2 days after or so, investigating officer spoke to the father and took another statement which we are using to investigate the docket. And for information, so far, the case that has been opened is an inquest docket. We are in contact with the owners of the building as we speak. There was a bit of a challenge in obtaining CCTV footage of the building. To a point that as the police, we went to court to seek for a 205, which enables us to get the footage through the law. Now, that footage will give information if there is any foul play which happened when the kid unfortunately passed on. Until that time, that there is evidence pointing as the police to a case of murder, who will do that? Before that, we plead with you to be patient and allow the law to take its course. Because if, as the police, we don't do what we are supposed to do, which is due diligence, we are going to mess up this case. And we want justice for the child. We want justice for everybody who stays in that building. And we will do everything possible to get to the bottom of that matter. If it means that the police must change the case of inquest to murder, evidence will point us to that point. But for now, it's a case of inquest which is intact. There is no statement which was lost. Nothing is missing. The docket is intact. Thank you very much.
Amandla ngicela fanele sinike ubaba wengane azikhulumele ukuze amaphoyisa abone la azini ukuzodlala. And ngiyasimaza ukuthi masibulawa siyouth ayatholakala amaphoyisa. Namhlanje sekhona semaningi sizofuna imibuzo. Maphoyisa khuselani maphoyisa. Ngoba umsebenzi wenu ukugada thina anisikhathi kodwa nina manisulela umthetho sizowulela sizalathi ngamandla.
Sanibona nonke. Sanibona nonke. I'd like to ask a question before he leaves. Question one.
Are you strong,
I
man?
dispute what he's saying. It's not true. The statement was taken at the Addington mortuary. It's not there. When I came in with the case number, the detective opened the file, there was no statement. She asked me to open, to do a second statement. Second Ngobese and Diase took the statement. Where is that original statement? I signed it. I put my signature on that statement. If you're saying that it's not true what I'm saying, it's an insult to me. You're denying me the law and I'm telling you the truth. Something is hidden here. I want justice for my kids. I want the original statement. I want the CCTV. Secondly, I did the investigation lead by myself. When the detective failed me, I went to the office of the security company that runs Homie CCTV. They told me that the footage is available. We must come with a detective to collect it. I went on Tuesday, I came here. The detective told me she's rushing to Peter Marisbeck to another case. She shows no interest on that case. So, what is going on? Why is the law not taking its course? Why did it take 4 days for you guys to send out the forensic to take the evidence? Kenneth Ndidi came on Wednesday. I've been running up and down since Sunday. Nobody from the police came. The evidence there was being cleaned up. I had to take photos by myself. It is not fair to be treated that way. I lost a child here. Today, I was shot by one of the police there. We were not even carrying weapons. They pull a gun and shoot. That's how I'm being treated. The criminals are being protected by the police. And the victim is being victimized by the police. I am not happy. I dispute everything you say that there is a statement. If you say the statement is there, allow me, with the MK guys, with Jacinda Ngobese, I want to see that statement because I know my signature. If it's not so, I'll tell you that is not my statement. No. Guys, if it's Anumoya, do not throw anything. This is not the way to fight it when we throw things. We need the facts first before we even get there. So I'm gonna go in with the leaders who are with me. Show me the case file, show me the statement. I want to see my signature. Thank you.
Njengoba seshilo-ke siyafisa ukuthi ayiphendule kodwa kumele singene ngaphakathi senze njengoba esho umfowethu. Sifuna ukuyibona leso statement athi asibhale sine-signature yakhe. Makube itshe mhlawumbe kuyadlalwa or sichitha isikhathi sizosuka la ngoba sesibona khonto eyenzakalayo. Asidlali nje lokwangempela. Into ezokwenzeka la sizomnika ithuba akhulume kodwa singene naye ngaphakathi sibone original statement lesathi sikhona. Asimnike ithuba-ke sibuze ukuthi uthini. Woza gibela ndoda. Phansi nkohlakalo phansi. Bopha masana mkhwanazi bopha. Bopha masana mkhwanazi bopha. Phansi nkohlakalo phansi. Viva Mtamusha viva. Phambili ne-unity phambili. Amandla. Bopha masana mkhwanazi bopha.
There is no problem with the complainant wanting to see his statement. That can be done. We can take him to the station with the IO and he verifies his statement. It can be done now. The problem is that problem is that we can't all of us here go to a police station, to an office, and see a station. If you are saying we are taking only leaders, we can take them through. But you as well, when you go in there, you must respect the law. This docket that we have is going to court. No, it's not a threat. We are saying the docket that he is going to verify himself is a docket that still needs to go to court. So he himself will verify his statement. Once he is satisfied that there is a statement, the first one and the second one, then that is it. So the issue of footage, I explained that we are going to get the footage through the legal means, because the footage that we get must be used in the court of law.
Kanel, ungathi kumina angikhontola ama-feelings ami. Ushona ubhuti wami la. Ngilade ngifuna ubulungiswa. Yena ngifika phakathi ngizwa ukulimala. Angazi ndoda ngifika phakathi. Uma ngilimele ngizo-etha.
Sisangena-ke ngaphakathi. Siyangena la ngaphakathi nobaba wengane nama-leaders esinawo, sizocela ukuthi nisilinde la sibuye sizonichazela, kodwa into engifuna ukisho ukuthi makumele silale la sizolala la. Makumele nathi sife namhlanje silandele lengane efile singayilandela. Silungiselele kwanoma yini ngoba ntshethi kuyadlalwa lapha. Amandla.
No, thank you very much, man. No, comrades, ngiyacela ukuthi sibekezelelane process ethu kufanele isheshe kakhulu. Seku-late manje. Ngiyacela ukuthi sisondele thina nalama leaders nisinikeze isikhathi. Wayithina mangabe khona into esimzela nayo ningayizwa kahle, isibambe kancane.
Justice for Dlamini Twins, justice. Justice. Justice for Andiswa, justice. Justice. Ngicela ukuthanda ukunibonga nonke ukuthi ningezeke ukuthola ubulungiswa. Into eniyenzele mina ningagcini ngokuthi niyenzele mina kuphela, niyenzele nakwabanye. Nami ngizimisela ukuthi makukhona onenkinga naye nami ngisukume ngibe ingxenye yabantu abalekelelayo. Yes. Istatement sigcine sitholakele. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Ngibonga angazi ngibonge ngithini. Sitholakele ikhona indlela eyaphambili njengamanje. Ne footage kuthiwa izotholakala. Ngizon update nje ngizolonga ngine update uxhumana nawo futhi obhuti laba engisebenzisana nabo ama leaders uma ukuthi ayiphumi iyeso. Yeah. National spokesperson useconfirmile ukuthi bayile enkantolo enkulu bayithola imvume yokuthola ifootage. So ngilindele icall yamaphoyisa nanoma yinini kusuka manje.
Ansi into engizoyisho. Abanye obaba kumina, abanye abafowethu, abanye bazingane kumina. Kodwa into engiyibonile ubumbano ubuntu. Into engiyibonile kina nonke ubunye. Uma singahlangana kanje, kuhlangana amaqembu ezepolitiki, kuhlangane ama-NPO, ama-NGOs, lelizwe sizoshintsha. Cela ke sesihamba bakithi sihambe kahle emgwaqweni siphephe siye emakhaya silinde wona kumhla ka7 umhla ka7 sobe sikhona asiwasebenzisa social network platform ukwenza umsebenzi wesizwe. Uma kunomuntu ovelelwa noma yini memezana simemezane sifike sibambe sonke. I-hashtag yethu izothi #fihla ihlazo kamakhelwane wakho. Ubuntu umphako ongaboli. Africa my continent, Africa my home. Africa the land of our ancestors. Africa the land of my birth. Phansi ngama-drugs phansi. Phansi ngabantu abaphezulu abathengisa ama-drugs ey'nganeni zethu phansi.